What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Fitness Business Podcast. Jordan here, your co-host, and today we're doing our content makeover series where I'm going to fix this person, this dude David, a good friend of ours. I'm going to fix his Instagram to 2x his lead generation in the next couple of minutes. It's so generic and it sounds just lame, honestly. And it sounds like every other wellness coach. Plus, if you look at the content, he's posting to women with like trimmer things and with like hashtags of like infinite game of life. There's no real focus and clarity. So I'm about to show you how to turn his Instagram and lead generation strategy into a money printing machine, y'all. Let's get into it. Mistake number one, there's not enough niche focus and the positioning is very generic. So his bio says, I help people over 50. Again, it's not focused enough. Complete lifestyle overhaul. It's not clear. It's overwhelming and vague. And his content is kind of all over the place. We're posting about women's trimmers, while his brand suggests a little bit more of like a masculine longevity. So there's no clear target between men versus women or busy professionals versus retirees. And then there's like this not with pills is very weak positioning compared to what I'm going to show you to like really call out specific fears. So what I would do instead is number one, pick one avatar and own it completely. So what I would do is based on your infinite game branding, you should go all in on successful men. So your profile would look as such. It would say, I help successful men over 50 stay strong, sharp, and sexually confident using my infinite game protocol, all without testosterone injections or restrictive diets. The reason this works, number one, successful men is a premium offer or premium avatar for pricing immediately. Number two, without testosterone injections. This is addressing most of those guys' biggest fear. Number three, we're branding a methodology that sounds systematic and masculine to appeal to this guy. Number four, there are specific outcomes that they actually care about. Now, how do we tie this together with content? So if I'm looking at David's recent posts, again, he has like his content's kind of all over the place, right? Women with trimmer issues, generic health tips. His handle is Infinite Game of Life, but he's not talking about the infinite game concept from Simon Sinek. I don't know. There's no consistent theme or messaging. We're not speaking to his supposed target of men over 50. And content just looks very much like a generic wellness blog, not specialized coaching. So what I would do instead is every post should reinforce your authority that you work with successful men over 50. For example, content hook number one, why successful men over 50 lose muscle fast and how to reverse it. Number two, the bone density crisis CEOs don't know about. Number three, how to optimize testosterone naturally at 55. Number four, 3 biomarkers every executive should track over 50. The reason this works, we want to speak directly to successful men, and we want to position David as an expert that they need and create authority through specific specialized knowledge and ultimately building trust with your avatar. The third thing is your bio is it needs restructured. Okay, so the way that your bio works is when people come to your Instagram, it's like your storefront. They decide as to whether or not to enter based on the messaging and the positioning of the bio. Right now, it's very bland, not specific. It just doesn't look very good. So this simple tweak alone will just skyrocket the amount of like targeted followers, targeted leads, and inbound DMs asking for coaching. So what you have right now is a complete lifestyle overhaul. Again, it's vague and it sounds like a huge commitment. Number two, there's no branded methodology mentioned. Number three, there's a generic website link with no real call to action to explain why they should go to it. Number four, there's no establishment of authority or expertise, and there's no personality or differentiation. What I would do instead is I would have your name right on your Instagram. So David Siegel, vertical line, and it says men's anti-aging specialist. Okay. That's your SEO keyword search positioning. So right when they see, like as soon as they see your name, they see you're a men's anti-aging specialist. Below that, it'll say, I help successful men 50 plus stay strong and sharp without testosterone injections. Right below that, it says the infinite game protocol with a little trademark thing, vertical line, bone density expert, vertical line, executive health. Right below that, a little like inbox emoji, DM me game for the blueprint. Okay, this works because it's clearly specialized into a target market. Number two, it addresses the biggest fear that a lot of these people face, which is not wanting to go on hormone replacement. Number three, we've branded your methodology to create intrigue and proprietariness. And number four, it's strong, it's masculine, it has a really good call to action. Okay, so the fourth thing that I would do is premium market psychology principle. Okay, so your content, it suggests that you're targeting anybody over 50, but premium clients, they really need to see specialized messaging. So when you're talking about like a complete lifestyle overhaul, it's just way too vague and noisy for busy executives. There's no emphasis and efficacy on time-conscious solutions. So we need to position against what high value men actually want and what they fear the most. So instead, what we're going to do is we need to understand that men over 50 aren't motivated by living their longest life. They're motivated by staying competitive, maintaining their edge, and avoiding dependency. So what do men over 50 actually want? They want to stay sharp in business meetings, right? Number two, they want to maintain sexual confidence. Number three, they want to avoid looking weak or old. Number four, they want to keep up with the status quo, right? They want to keep up with their younger colleagues. Number 5, they want to do it all without admitting that they need help. So I really need David to understand you're not selling longevity, you're selling sustained masculine performance for men who refuse to decline. So what I mean is if you can start to position around this, you go from a generic longevity coach competing with these wellness gurus who are having their clients, just do yoga and drink green smoothies. And instead, you become a specialized anti-aging authority for executive men. So now this is going to allow you to no longer just sell fitness, right? You're now going to sell masculine longevity to men who will pay premium prices to avoid feeling old, weak, and dependent on medical interventions. So listen, that's all I got for you today. But if you're in this niche or even a relatable niche, you need to understand that you have to position yourself the antithesis of generic, okay? You need to speak to your ideal client's language, address their specific fears, and position as the authority in their world. So if you found this useful, guys, make sure to subscribe on YouTube. Make sure to hit that follow button. Maybe if you want, shoot me a DM on Instagram at @JordanDuggar_. If you want me to audit your profile, I might shoot me a DM. If I get some time, I'll do it. Either way, thank you guys for listening, and I'll see y'all on the next one.